6 months ago, I shut down something that I spent months building. In this video today, I'm going to tell you exactly why. So, if you didn't know, I had a premium Discord a long time ago, like 6 months ago, and I shut it down. I never really talked about it because I just didn't, but I feel like I should. And I feel like a lot of you guys probably wonder why I did. So, in this video, I'm going to tell you exactly why I shut it down. I'm going to tell you what it was, what started going wrong, when I decided to shut it down, and why I'm telling you guys this now. So that being said, this is just going to be fucking honest ass video. I'm just going to get into it. Because honestly, I don't care. I have nothing to lose. And you guys are real as fuck. And I'm real as fuck. So we can be real as fuck together, right? Okay, so if you didn't know, I used to have a premium Discord. I had it for around a month and a half. I opened it in June of 2025, and I closed it in the beginning of August of 2025. So I had it for around a month and a half. And in that time span, I loved it. I loved having it. I loved everybody inside of it. And then I shut it down. So what it was like a 35 video course. I had like a whole course, right? I had 3 live Q&As a week. I had daily draw and liquidity, daily trade ideas, trade recaps, and stuff like that. Off rip, I already had like 4,000 people inside of my free Discord, just the narrative. And then when I released the premium, there was like 30 people that joined or something. And then the most people I ever had in it was like 90, and that was towards the end of it. And then, yeah, it was fucking fire. Everybody in there was so dedicated to the game and the process and showing up for the Q&As and watching the course, and everyone was getting insane fucking results, like insane results. And I genuinely believed that I was ready. I was ready to have a Discord. I was trading well, I was getting payouts, I was helping people. I genuinely believed that I was ready. Even though I started in August 2024, for some reason I was like, fuck it, I'm ready to go all in on this shit. And then a lot of shit changed, right? And there was stuff that I had to think about that I had never thought about before, because I've always just been, I mean, you guys have been following me forever. I've always been the type of person to just post everything. But there's this weird change that you have to make once you start selling something, where it's like, you go from always posting everything to not, because you feel like if you do something wrong on the charts with trading, then you're letting everybody that paid you, you're letting them all down. And so my content started getting a little bit worse. I started, trading worse because I felt a lot more pressure on myself. And this was around the end of July, so just around the 1 month mark of having this Discord, right? The end of July, I started trading a little bit worse. I was still getting payouts, but I was trading worse. And I felt like the Discord was starting to be more of like an obligation than something I was ready to do. I'm on the same journey as you guys. Like I'm on the same exact journey as you guys. So it was a little bit weird for me, because me being someone who started trading in August 2024, I wanted to immediately try to help as many people as possible. And I wanted to provide and be there. But I had no idea what that could have caused for me and my trading and my content and my personal brand and me in general. And that sort of threw me off. So a month in, I was having a lot of fun with it. I loved it. I loved doing the Q&As and everything. But it got to the point where I felt like I couldn't be 100% transparent, because these people are buying something from me and I'm providing a service for them. And if I'm fucking up, and they know that I'm fucking up, then it's like less of a reason for them to trust me, and it makes me feel like a fraud, right? Because even though I didn't force anybody to buy anything, I never forced a Discord down anyone's throat. I never even posted stories trying to sell it. Even though it was just there, for some reason in the back of my mind, subconsciously, I was just like, I need to be this person. And if I'm not this person, then I probably just shouldn't post it, because I'm not that person. You get what I'm saying, right? So At that time, I genuinely believed, when I released that Discord, I genuinely believed I had so much knowledge to share. I could help anybody become profitable. I knew everything, and I was ready to lead a whole entire community. I just thought I was, and I couldn't have been more wrong, because even though I was getting payouts and I was a consistent trader and I was providing as much value as I could to the Discord, I just feel like I wasn't ready yet. And so I tried faking it for a little bit, like faking that I was ready to myself. Like I was like, oh, like this is just a thought, like whatever. But then eventually around the end of August, like the last week of August and the end of July, the last week of July and the beginning of August, my internal dialogue started to shift and I started cracking. Like my trading was noticeably worse and my content was noticeably worse. My transparency was noticeably less. And this was all because I launched this Discord prematurely. And so my trading was just falling apart and I was still providing for the members. Like I was still showing up and being there and giving them as much as I could. And there are a ton of people who are in there that actually, became consistent because of it. And I know it because there's like a whole testimonial section and people will talk to me about it. And I tried my actual best. But I had this internal conflict of like showing up for an entire community and being there for all of them. But I'm struggling with the thing that they're paying me to teach them. And just morally, I feel like that's so wrong. And so that's when I knew I had to shut it down immediately, right? It actually got to the point where there was a couple days span where I was just losing and losing and losing, not because of anything but my psychology, right? The typical loss, right? I was just fucking losing and losing and losing. And I just remember like the third or fourth losing day in a row, I just remember sitting there and being like, why the fuck do I have a Discord? like I was just like, what is wrong with me? Like, why do I have this? So I shut it down completely after that because I was just like, bro, I can't do that anymore. So I literally, I sent a message. Let me pull up the message actually because I want to read it to you guys. I sent a message that said important announcement. This week I'm going to be closing down the premium section of the narrative. All communication will be done in the free section from now on. Wait, no, that wasn't the message. That was not the message. Where is it? Oh. Where's the message? Okay, I don't remember the message. It's buried because I was still doing it for the people that were already in there. I just stopped selling it to people. Okay, I can't find it. The only message that I could find is that I was shutting down the premium section. So like I shut down, I closed the fucking payment section completely. And then I announced that I was going to be closing down the premium section just for the existing members. This has been something I've been thinking about for a while. Blah, blah, blah. I'm so proud for all of you for what's been accomplished in here, and I'm going to be active in the free Discord just like I'm active in here. I will be reopening the premium Discord at some point during 2026, but for now, I'm unenrolling you guys and archiving this section of the Discord. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, so I wrote that message when I was closing the actual like premium section, but I stopped selling the actual Discord way before that because, again, it was just too much. It was just too much for me. I'm not at a point with my trading. I'm still less than 2 years in, and I just like didn't feel right. It didn't feel right. And so after a month and a half of selling it, I was just like, I can't do this anymore. And so I stopped. And I told everybody that I was going to stop it. And everybody's like, what? Why? Blah, blah, blah. No. And I don't know if people understood why. I don't know what people thought, but I couldn't do it anymore. Like from the moral point of view, I just couldn't do it anymore. And I'm telling you guys this now, right? I could have just moved on and never addressed it, right? I'm choosing not to. This was so long ago that it could have just been history, and I could have never made a video, and I could have never talked about it. But the reason why I want to is because it really showed me the difference in building an audience, right? And posting content and being ready to lead a community, right? Because I fucking love content. I love making videos. I love posting videos for you guys. I love getting in front of the camera. I love sending tweets out and posting dumbass TikToks and Instagram reels and everything. I love it. It's so fucking fun. And I do it for the love of the game now, right? There's a difference between doing that and doing it for the love of the game, right? When I'm doing it for the love of the game, I'm trading normally. I'm trading fine. I'm just talking about my trading and documenting everything. But when you're building a community, when you're leading a community, you have to assume this leader role. And suddenly you're not only responsible for way more, but also it becomes a morality thing, right? Like morally, okay? Morally, do I want to be a content creator or do I want to be a course seller? I want to be a content creator. I'll choose content creator fucking 10 times out of 10 because there's nothing I love more than posting shit on TikTok and Instagram and just seeing people love it and listening to what they have to say and hearing their comments and everything. There is nothing I love more than that. And when you start, building a community, you immediately cut that shit off. And now you have a distance between you as the content creator and the people watching you because there's this barrier between it. And it's like, oh, I make content, but if you want to talk to me, you have to pay me. And I think that's fucked up. And so I'm not saying that I'm never going to launch a Discord again, right? I'm just saying that right now, my main focus is being a trader first and a content creator second. My main focus is getting back on track with trading, which is why I took this trading break this week, right? I took the whole week off and I'm just fucking reflecting on everything, okay? Because I want to come back Monday and I want to lock the fuck in and be present and actually be a GOAT at this shit, right? That's my goal. I want to be the GOAT at trading. I want to. And I want to trade with clarity, and I don't want to think about a Discord and selling something to people, right? That is the least of my worries right now. So that's why I closed the Narrative Premium, right? And I'm not here telling you that it's never going to get launched again, because I probably will at some point start selling something again in the future at some point, because I do think that there's a lot of value, right? But right now in my trading career, I am nowhere near ready. And I think you guys know that. And I want to make that clear. I am not ready to lead an entire community of people, right? Because my main priority is trading and trading and becoming the fucking GOAT at trading. And that's all I care about, right? And then hopping on social media and being a fucking goofball on the camera and fucking around, because I love that. I love that so much. I love that I have an outlet to just be a fucking idiot. It's so fun. And it's especially fun when you see people that like it, that you like you being an idiot, right? So I'm not rushing any relaunch of anything. I'm not doing that. I'm just trading right now, and that's all I fucking care about, right? And again, I could have never spoken about this. I could have just kept it under wraps. He shut it down, whatever. But I wanted to tell you why, because I feel like you deserve an explanation as to why I shut it down, and just an understanding of what was going through my head during that time period, right? That time period where I shut it down, that was August. So August, September, October, November, horrible trading, horrible mindset, horrible mental state. And I was just like, dude, I can't. I believe that I'm a good person. I can't give these people everything that they're paying me for. I just can't, because I'm I'm not there yet, and I need to focus on myself, and I need to develop my skill, right? And that was my entire goal. Okay, I shut it down because my members, right, all the members of the fucking Discord, they deserve someone who was just completely there. And honestly, I wasn't. When I come back, and I will be back, right? When I come back and I relaunch, it'll be because I'm fucking ready, and I have all the proof and evidence, and I'm mentally fucking there, ready to absolutely help anybody who wants trading help. Do it. That is when I'll come back. But I'm not rushing it. I don't need the money. I don't need the momentum. When I come back, I'm only going to be coming back because I'm absolutely 100% ready. Okay? So for now, you got to deal with me being an idiot on camera, making videos like this, making trading videos, fucking posting me being silly on the fucking phone, right? That's what you're going to have to deal with. And that's that. And I might be working on a new free Discord for you guys, because the old one is just so old, and I'm sick of looking at it. So and when I do put out the new free Discord, it's just going to be a fucking free Discord. You guys are free to be as dumb as you want. There's going to be no moderators, there's going to be no rules, right? It's just going to be a free Discord where you can go and talk about trading if you want, whatever. I just want you to know the reason why I shut down the Narrative Premium, and especially with me just having blew that $12,000 buffer and taking this break from trading, I feel like this video fits into that sort of section, right? Just honesty and transparency. It's always been the most important thing to me, and it always will be. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just know that I'm going to be back in the Discord space eventually, in a long time. I might not, right? I might just not ever do it, and that's completely fine. But I always will be posting content, and that will never ever stop. And I will never stop trading, because I care so much about you guys. You watching this video, I care so much about you. And yeah, you guys are fucking awesome. So subscribe if you feel like it. Like the video if you like the video. Leave a comment if you want to leave a comment. And I will catch you in the next YouTube video.